Okay, here is what we call an Arcella. It's a form of amoeba in a test or house. There's all kinds of different terminology for soil microbiology, but you can see how it has made its house out of debris. Get it centered here. So cool. Look how pretty that is. The kids will love this. And kind of lives inside there. You don't see it feeding right now because, you know, I have to shake up the sample to dislodge the microbes from the organic matter. But that's a very nice specimen. Again, called an Arcella. It is an amoeba. And then if I remember correctly, there was a chunk of fungi in the... Okay, here's a chunk of fungi. That's not necessarily a good guy, but as long as you outnumber the good guy or outnumber the bad guys with the good guys, you'll be fine.